I think you're gonna like this. Okay. Oh, it's terrible. Okay, so let's just recall that when we did the product rule, we said x to the a times x to the b equals x to the, what did we do with our exponents?
I don't know.
We added them.
Oh, yeah, we added it. I forgot.
So let me ask you this. Turn to your neighbor. What do you think we're going to do with our exponents when we divide? All right. Nirvan, what do you guys think? What are we going to do with our exponents? We are probably going to subtract them. We are going to have x to the power of a, because that is in the numerator, minus b, the power in the denominator. You don't like subtraction? Oh, I'm sorry.
Addition's easier than
So let's make this easy. X to the 5th divided by x cubed. Okay, I'm going to be really obnoxious. We're going to take 5 minus 3. You don't have to write that to get x squared. Half of you are working ahead of me because you're like, oh man, this is so easy. But you're going to complain that it's hard. Okay, Avery, what about the second one? What do you think it's going to be? K to the what?
10.
Yeah, 12 minus 2 is 10. This is so great.
Why does it have a division symbol?
We are dividing, but when we divide, we subtract the exponents.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
That's okay.
I'm
I'm confused.
It's just, it's a 0. It's nothing.
There's no X.
Yeah, but it's
What if I asked you for 5 divided by 5?
0. Wait,
I don't know.
It would be what?
1.
1. What if I asked you for 10 squared divided by 10 squared? That's 100 divided by 100.
Wow.
That would be 1.
1.
Okay.
I don't know.
Fun fact. Yes, you are right. This is m to the 0. Fun fact, anything raised to the 0 power is 1.
So can we just put M?
No, because that would be m to the 1st.
Okay.
Your answer is 1.
1.
Your answer is 1.
Just 1.
Your answer is 1.
Just 1 class.
1. No, because they cancel out.
So,
Okay, write down what you think the answers are for 4 and 5.
What's your day back?
That better? We'll be okay.
What are we gonna do?
Break the press. And pass the ball. There you go.
I would like to be a point guard. Is that funny? I think I could be a pretty good point guard.
Okay. Thank you for. All right. Amy, what do you have for number 4? A to the 4th B? B? Okay, so I like it. And she said what I was going to ask somebody to say for me. You can write b to the first because technically the 4 minus 3 gives us 1, but you don't have to write the 1 because b without an exponent is like that implied first power. So you either write it as b or you write it as b to the first. Okay, your answer for number 5, Kane. Good, good. All right, so let's look at number 6 together, okay? When we have x to the 20th over x to the 5th, that is going to be rewritten as x to the 15th. All right, here's that situation. Y to the 9th over y to the 9th. Okay, so I'm gonna write y to the 0, and then I'm gonna write z to the first, because I'm being a little bit obnoxious. Yes, y to the 0 is 1, and z to the 1 just means z. So this is the answer that I would want to see. Okay, so if I said x times 1, what is it really? Yeah. Okay, so let me do this so you can see it. I have x to the 15th times 1 times z. X to the 15th z. I do need you to change y to the 0 to be 1. I would take off points if you left y to the 0. I am teaching you that anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay. Okay, so now your favorite. Let's put some numbers in. Okay, now, do I subtract 6 and 2? No, those are like coefficients. We treat them like normal numbers. Colin, what's 6 divided by 2? Okay, so even if you needed to do this, 6 divided by 2 and x to the 4th over x cubed. Well, 6 over 2 is 3. And x to the 4th divided by x cubed, when we subtract our exponents, would be x to the 1st. 3x. That's what we got.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Maybe it will help you to write this as 14 over 7, r squared over r, and s squared over s. I don't know. Avery, tough question. 14 over 7. I disagree.
No giggling.
Guess what? Somebody else in this class is going to make that mistake. Why is that such an easy mistake to make? Because we are subtracting these exponents right here. Okay, Avery, thank you for making that mistake so we can talk about it. You're not the only one who made that mistake in their head. Okay. Here we're subtracting our exponents, but here these aren't exponents, these are numbers. 14 divided by 7 is 2. But now we can subtract 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 1. Yeah. Do you see a negative number?
I do see it.
Okay, you and your elbow partner, 9 and 10. Coach what? They're like little? How old are they?
Like, some of them are older than me, but most of them are small. But the ones that are like older than me, respectfully,
Yeah.
Not really.
For this, since the C like squared crosses off, would you have
You
to
should
put
do
a
this
one?
one.
No, because what's 9 times
Or
1?
so, or can it just be negative?
hold on one.
Yeah.
All right, Amelia, what is your answer for number 9? -9b squared. Thumbs up or thumbs down if you agree.
I agree with your statement.
I'm not seeing everybody's thumb, so that makes sense.
Come on, guys.
Yeah. Okay, now I have a question. Amelia, what happened to C? Okay, C squared over C squared is like C to the 0. C to the 0 is 1. Okay, good. Gavin, what'd you get for number 10? Thumbs up or thumbs down if you agree with Gavin. You agree with Gavin? This is so, he has a thumb. Yep, yep. Okay, so now, I mean, you need to know the individual rules, but you also need to be able to apply them all together. Okay, so let's talk about number 13 right here. I see an exponent applied to a parentheses, and I see a division. Which one needs to come first? Okay, well, inside the parentheses is good. Exponent. This exponent has to be applied before we get to the division. Okay, so 3 squared. 9. X to the 5th squared. But 9 doesn't divide by 27.
Getting in the fraction.
That's not even a fraction.
No decimals. So we have 9 over 27 and x to the 10th over x to the 3rd. Okay. So we can say, okay, we can divide each of these by 9 to get 1 over 3 x to the 7th. You could also write this as 1 over, or like x to the 7th over 3. Those would mean the same thing. Do you see how those mean the same thing?
Yeah.
Those mean the same thing. Oh, wait, what?
Oh, yeah.
Then you would have a number there. What's wrong? Okay. Because 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. All right, let's go over number 14. We have to first apply the cube. Okay. Maddie, what's 2 cubed? Again. Yeah, 2 cubed, 2 to the 3rd power. 2 times 2 times 2.
8.
8. So we have 8.
I thought it was C squared.
A to the 6th, B to the 12th. A cubed, 4A cubed, B 7. Okay. Okay, so we are gonna take 8 divided by 4. 8 to the 6 divided by a cubed would give us a to the 3rd, and then b to the 5th.
It's okay. We're all human.
Yep. Okay, I know we're getting antsy. I have a couple more examples I'd like to do. Can we turn to the next page? I don't know where you got that from. No.
It was.
Okay, I have a question. What do we do first?
Yeah. Oh,
Like
you already did the exponent on all of these.
Okay, so you want me to do 2 cubed m to the 12th n to the 6th and 4 cubed m to the 6th n cubed? That's what you want?
No.
Oh,
What do you want, Sophia?
so 2 cubed is 8 and 4 cubed is 64
That's 4 times 4.
times 4.
I don't blame you, buddy.
No, it's not. Yes, it is. I'm waiting for you to be quiet. Because I'm not sure if you're like, okay with what I did or not. Okay. There you go. 8 over 64. That is 1/8
Thank you.
m to the n to the 3rd. Okay. What did you say, Abby? Okay, so what I need you to do, I put the notes on your table. I need you to watch the 3 videos this weekend, okay? Okay, here's the deal. Make sure you follow our 3 rules. We have, I'm still talking, and you don't even know what your homework is right now. If we are multiplying, we add our exponents. If we are dividing, we subtract our exponents. And if we have power to a power, this, we multiply our exponents. Those are all going to be intermixed now that you know all 3. Okay, go ahead and turn to page 10. Page 10 is your homework.
Oh, boy. Okay, not that bad.
Well, it's not that bad. It's not
Negative
bad.
X. So is this one just one?
She's talking about number 2.
Oh.